Today we're going to talk about 3 things that can help your trading with the Asia Close London Open and how they can help your trading. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. G'day traders, I'm Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. Beautiful day on the beach down here in Perth again. Today we're going to talk about 3 things that can help your Asia Close London Open trading. So I use the 1-hour charts, and one of the things that you want to do is go through and build your playbook and study those hourly charts at the Asia Close London Open. So for me, if you're counting just the bars on the 1-hour charts, it's the 8th bar and the 9th bar roughly, which is where you'll see the Asia Close London Open. So you want to study these instruments. So I look for a couple of key basic, my 2 best trading setups are pretty much the EMA squeeze and the double top. But what you'll often find is there's about 5 particular movements that the market might do. But in order for me to really keep it simple and focus on, for example, the EMA squeeze, what I will do is I'll go through and look at 20 different pairs and look for the EMA squeeze. So for example, this week we've already had it on the pound yen, we've had it on the pound, we've had it on the euro. This is Thursday. So there's been more than that, but those were 3 of the charts that displayed to me right off the bat that they were going to set up over the course of the morning and into the Perth afternoon, the EMA squeeze, and all 3 of those trades have delivered breakouts. So what I would encourage you to do is you want to build your playbook with your best trade setup plans for that time frame. The reason why that time frame is significant is because that's when a huge amount of volume comes into the market when the Asia market closed. And I've mentioned this before that I just read through material where they're saying that the Asian market is starting to rival some of the London volumes at certain times, and that would be obviously probably more in towards the close and in towards the London Open. So you want to have a couple of your best trade setups. So you need to study those, what they are for you. Secondly, you want to be able to scan through and be able to identify those over multiple markets. So instead of trying to trade one market all the time, look for that setup on a bunch of different markets. So obviously the average true range is going to be different, but obviously knowing what your risk factor is for the individual market once you bring it up. If you see, for example, that setup maybe on the New Zealand dollar, well, you'll have to assess what your 1R or your risk is on that market based on where you're going to position yourself to be in the market and where your maximum risk will take place. And the third thing is know where you are going to have an asymmetrical risk reward opportunity with that trade. So you want to manage your risk, but you also want to be able to identify a range that's going to give you, 2, 3, 4 or 5 to 1 maybe on your return on risk. So your best trade setups, multiple markets, and an asymmetrical risk reward opportunity. And so what that should entail for you is the opportunity, there's one good trade every single day. So if you're following one market, you're not going to get those setups. You might get 1 a week. You might get 2 a week. You might get none. But when you're following multiple markets and you've got some really simple high possibility strategies that you can quickly identify and then go into that market and have a closer look and identify your ranges so that you can get an asymmetrical risk reward opportunity at the time of day when the market is showing the increase in volume and consolidation or a coiling factor to where it's about to explode again, and then identify where you can have a target in place that's going to give you an asymmetrical risk reward opportunity on that trade. So hopefully you got some value out of today's video, traders. 3 things: simple playbook setup, multiple markets to trade it on at certain times of the day, Asia Close, London Open, and make sure you got an asymmetrical risk reward opportunity with that setup. Have a great trading week. Stay disciplined, stay focused, get down to the beach, and may the markets go with you. Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.